I just installed this replacement sliding patio screen door and figured it was a good time to show you how to replace the rollers. This is the unique Home Designs adjustable fit sliding patio screen door from the Orange Home Improvement Center. Open the door a few inches. With a stiff putty knife or painter's tool, lift the door and then lift the roller off the track. Repeat on the other end. Remove the door by lifting the entire door and swinging out the bottom. Here's the roller. After it wears out in a few years, remove the 2 screws to remove the roller. Reverse the process to install a new roller and repeat on the other end. The rollers on the top of the door can be used to replace the bottom rollers. I removed these because the top of the door opening was warped. They will be kept to replace the bottom rollers in a few years. To reinstall the door, tip the top toward the opening and insert it into the top track. Then swing in the bottom of the door. With the stiff putty knife, lift the rollers onto the track. And give it a test. Check the latch and adjust as needed.